Hi, I'm Kelly with Tinkering Think Tank, and today we're going to change the wiper blades on a 2002, Chevrolet Cavalier. Now this will be the same for a 1998 through 2005 Cavalier, as well as the same year of Pontiac Sunfire, which is effectively the same car, just with different headlights and different taillights. It's a very easy fix. A lot of people don't know how to do it, have never done it, or have had problems doing it in the past, so they have a shop do it for them or a dealership. And there's really no need for that expense. This is one of the simplest things you can do with a car, next to putting wiper fluid in. It's really very simple. And today we're going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. Okay, these things, this type of arm is a J-hook. It's shaped like this, right inside here. Now to remove this thing, see this piece of plastic right here? And slide, and look at that, it pops right off. Here is the lever I'm talking about. That little piece there, you just lift it up and slide it right off of this J-hook, okay? Now, your new wiper blade is just as simple. See, it's got this piece here, same thing, shaped like, it's circular. So you drop this in, latch it in place, wiggle it to make sure it's secure, and you're halfway done with your job already. Now we're going to switch over to this side over here and do it. It's exactly the same process. The trickiest thing to it is being able to see the little lever to lift up, which is not what you'd call very tricky. It's very easy. You just lift up on the lever, slide forward. You can see these were in bad need of replacement, right? And then you take your new one, wrap it around that J-hook, slide it, make sure it's secure. Brand new wiper blades for the cost of only the wiper blades and about a moment of your time, without having to pay labor, without having to pay a surcharge on parts, or the elevated price for parts that you'll pay if you go to a repair shop. And we'll be doing other products or other maintenance on this same car. This is my go-to-work car. It's old and it's ugly, but it gets 27 miles to the gallon and it runs like a champ. So we'll be doing headlights, we'll be doing the front brakes here very soon. I just did a clean and inspect on the rear brakes. They didn't need to be replaced, but I'm going to be replacing those before too long, and I'll do a video on that as well. And if you've got anything that you don't know how to fix on the 98 through 2005 Cavalier, feel free to send it in the messages, and I'll take a look at it and see what I can do. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.